Ever felt constrained? Today's coding session involves some project work and a LeetCode challenge that's all about finding subarrays with very specific fixed bounds. Let's see how we box that in. This is day 32 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. Today involved a bit of work on an automation tool and then tackling a LeetCode Hard problem. Let's jump in. Kick things off with some work on the auto thumbnail generator project. The goal here is to automatically create thumbnails and titles based on a video script, which could be a huge time saver. Didn't make massive leaps today, mostly just nudging things forward slightly. It's still early days for this project, focused on setting up the core logic for processing the script and eventually interacting with image generation or editing tools. Slow and steady. Alright, after that bit of project work, I switched gears to LeetCode. Today's problem is 2444. Count subarrays with fixed bounds. Spoiler alert, it's marked as hard. The goal is to count how many contiguous subarrays of a given array nums have a minimum value exactly equal to minK and a maximum value exactly equal to maxK. Okay, here's the Python solution. This approach uses a single pass, conceptually similar to a sliding window, or using multiple pointers. It efficiently tracks the index of the last element that falls outside the valid range, left_bound, and the most recent indices where minK and maxK were encountered. By comparing these pointers, it determines the number of valid subarrays ending at the current position, in constant time per step. This method achieves oxygen mononitride time complexity and O1 space complexity, which is optimal. And that's a wrap for day 32. We made some progress on the thumbnail project and tackled a tricky LeetCode Hard problem. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this problem or have different approaches. Your support keeps the series going, and you can also support the channel over at buymeaboba.com, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.